Welcome back to Effortless Automation. Unlock Appium testing skills in 30 minutes. In this lesson, we're diving into the core of mobile testing, performing a manual test on a real mobile device using Kobiton. This hands-on experience is crucial, as it lays the foundation for generating your first Appium script. Today, you'll learn how to conduct a manual test on Kobiton's public cloud devices. We'll navigate through a simple testing scenario on the Kobiton.com website to demonstrate how easily you can transition from manual to automated testing with Appium. Let's begin. First, ensure you're on the Public Cloud Devices tab, where you left off last time. Here, you'll see a list of available mobile devices. For our example, we'll choose the Pixel 6. Click Launch for the device you select to initiate a real physical mobile device session. This is where you'll perform your manual test. While you can test on and generate Appium scripts for native mobile applications, today we're testing the Kobiton.com website. There is a record button at the top of the manual test screen. It looks like a play button. Click on this record button every time you are recording to generate an Appium script. This will ensure the screen and Appium actions are correctly captured. Since we're using an Android device, click on Chrome to open the Chrome browser. If you chose an iOS device to launch, click on Safari to open the Safari browser. Use your physical computer keyboard to type Kobiton.com into the navigation bar. Then press the return key on your physical computer keyboard. This method ensures precise input for our test. Once the website loads, click on Accept All Cookies. Remember, every interaction, including this, will be captured for our Appium script. Perform a swipe down action on the device screen. Continue this action until you find the button that says, Learn more about why mobile leaders choose Kobiton. Click on this Learn More button. This marks the end of our simple manual test. To conclude the session, click the X in the upper right corner. Then confirm by clicking on Exit Session. This action stops the clock on your free or purchase minutes. You'll now be directed to the session results page, a crucial step where you'll generate your Appium script based on the test you just performed. Congratulations on completing your first manual test on Kobiton. Today, you've taken a significant step towards mastering mobile app testing by using a real device to perform actions that will be translated into a script in Appium. Remember, the skills you're developing here are not just about testing. They're about creating efficient, automated workflows that save time and enhance the quality of your mobile apps. In our next lesson, we'll learn how to take the actions you've just performed and prepare to generate an Appium script. This is where your journey into automation begins to take shape. See you there.